Mower Farms. Turn the light on. God damn furnace. Hold on there, guys. It's gotta light my furnace again. It doesn't want to stay on. It's not that bad. It says it's 7.2 in here. So hold on a second. Let me light my furnace and I'll get back to you. Okay, it's lit. For how long? No idea. So I'd like to thank my new subscriber, Cordetti Motorsports. It's kind of nice having someone close by me now. He looks like he's getting into it himself. He just picked one up, a weed eater one. So if you guys want, head over there, give him a subscribe, give him some tips and helpful hints to get his going. And also my other new subscribers, thank you. Yes, I gotta forgot what I was doing to this. Just kidding. I don't know. I think I might just finish this off. Take everything off, strip it down. And this, well, first I gotta take all that stuff off of there. Seat, fenders, the dash, the holy shit handle. Yes, I usually leave these on for holy shit, but kids don't need it. This is the kids. That's why it has a hydrostatic, so all I have to do is forward, stop, reverse. If this rear end's even good, I don't know. Hopefully. I never really drove this one yet. But yeah. Tear this one down, move that, get this one running. My Cub, see how well that one goes. The wife's, well, hers I'll just kick it out when the rest of these there's two. Well, I'm down to two now left. And then this one, you already said that. Looking idiot, already said that. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll do an update when this one's done. And that one, maybe. This one, possibly. So stay tuned for that update on this mess. Hello again. So, yeah, I stopped because I think I might just end up fixing this one. Because I can just get a piece of angle iron and go right across here. After I pinch it back together, because if you watch, if I can do this, but the gap moves, so I gotta figure out what I can do to strengthen that up besides a piece of angle iron going across. Because overall, it's not bad. That's the only issue with this one. I might take the mortar out and see what I can do with this. Because I really don't want to take this one apart, and then I can just do this one up really good. Because it's already stretched from old welder welding. I got a new one, as you can tell, it's all blotchy, but plus I'm still learning how to weld. I did pick up a new welder there December, so that's all I'm doing right now. Yeah, this whole thing. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but yeah. As you can watch the whole front end just twist without me moving the freaking camera. Yeah, so anyways, before I keep doing that, that's all I'm gonna do. Let's see if I can strengthen this piece up here, because it's common for craftsmen's right here, because that's all it is, right? So I'm gonna see what I can do to strengthen that up. I'm gonna pinch down here tight, and then probably grab the welder kind of weld on the side, maybe, or just get a piece of angle iron first and weld around it. I don't know. So I'm gonna see what I can find out if I have any scrap metal. I do have a frame out back. I'll show you. So I do have this frame. Might just take chunks out of this. The old roper. And my old Barney frame. Yeah, these are all my other ones back here. One's my brother's. This is my John Deere parked. It's all ready to go. No gas pedal, nothing yet. I just wanted it out for now. My grass cutting one. My old timer one. Which I'm surprised it still runs and everything, so that one. And then my brother's there. Beast. So yeah, I might just take chunks off this frame or build this one. No, I can't. Fuck. I don't know, I'll figure something out for that. Or use this cart thing I've already tried. Or but I cut some already off of there. And then go from there. I got this. That was already here. I found behind the garage. It's about, a quarter inch almost. Might cut a piece of this and use that. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Hey again, this is the wiring. In case if you're wondering how I wire in my stuff with the key still, you probably already know how to do it, but in case if you don't know how to do it, all this wiring, including that, I'm not going to need all this stuff. After all said and done, I'll have maybe about 5 wires done out of this. So all the ones that I need, I don't know if I can set this down somewhere. I don't know how. I'll use my coffee cup. Oh. Yeah, the way. So all the ones that I use, put that on. Look at the prongs. They usually will say BG, SLM, whatever. I gotta clean the things here, but yeah, they're all said and done. I'll show you the wires that I have left that I use only. No idea why the hell that's on there. Some people use push buttons. I tried it. I didn't mind it, but I like my key ignition better. So we'll get this sorted out and then I'll get back to you on that. Hey again. Ugh. So this is all the wires I got left. My ground wire. The yellow one I don't really need, that's just for lights. So that'd be out. But that's all I got left. It's not done, I still gotta put loom on it and stuff, but yellow, this one here, this yellow one right there goes to the solenoid. The blue one, magneto. This red one goes to the battery. It's right there. Whoa, stay still. Battery. That's it. That's all I do for my wiring. I put loom on it still. And there's all the other stuff down there I didn't need. And I switched ignitions out. This is what I'm using now. The one that I was gonna do, confusing, so I do it the way I normally do it. This one's better. Don't need that tab, that's just for the PTO. And this will just plug in on there, like that. That's it. Quick update again. All loomed. Solenoid battery, and then my magneto wire. I didn't know how long it needed, so I'll loom it after, so I left it long. But yeah, other than that, good. Been put on hold. Been dealing with some other shit. Ooh, water. Yeah, water. Flood. So what I've been dealing with the past, I don't know how many hours now. All that snow is raining down. It's waiting for a skid steer to show up so we can just level out the ground. But for now, it's going to dig a trench and just divert it somewhere else, and then have all that snow pushed back more. Because all that snow over here, and this shit is yeah. That's the funs and joys. Never ending. So until this gets dealt with, and then I'll get back to these. I was on the verge of doing that one, but then water happened. Met more farms again, and a quick update on this thing. Wiring's pretty much all done. All loomed up, and I left that open so if water gets in, it'll just drain out down there. Everything else is in. Not everything else, but positive ground. This one, I don't know what the hell this is doing up there. Over there somewhere. And put the gas tank in. Still need to do the ground on this side for my little voltmeter. That thing. And I gotta find my exhaust pipes. I gotta put somewhere. This is my old one I had on my Barney. 16 horse twin. I didn't mind this motor, but every once and now and then when I had it on the trails last year, it was a pain in my ass. And yeah, pulley's on the back. Oh, pardon me. So I gotta mount the motor down because it's not on bolted in yet. Bolts are in, but it's not tight. I leave it loose so I can put my pulley on and my belt. And then I just gotta figure out a gas pedal situation. Or I might just use this, my little boost cable. Just I don't know yet. Then I'll be just from there to right over there. But I think I have a long enough cable for my throttle, my foot. And yeah, I could have been done this one, but water still over there. Still dealing with that shit. And yeah, guess we'll get back to this and I'll do an update before I finish for the night. Mower farms. No, it's not done yet. Almost. Surprisingly, the hood still fits with the twin. What are you talking over there? She said hi.
Talking to the coyotes.
Still fits in there. The only thing I gotta do now, Jimmy rig a gas pedal, seat.
Go in the middle of the thing and catch it on fire and blow it up.
Not what she said. Everything else is all hooked up. Almost. It's getting there. Yes, I took the stickers off. I'm gonna clean that shit off and then I'm gonna repaint it. Repaint it a different color. Might leave the yellow or redo the yellow. And then whatever color for this. Yes, this dash is already broken from before. I don't know. So that's it for tonight. A seat. Fancy seat. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow yet. Something.